This video is sponsored by VG Roshan Jain. துல்லியமான ஜாதக பலன்கள், பெயரியல் எண் கணிதம் மற்றும் வாஸ்து.
நீங்க அவர் கூட நடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்த சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் படங்கள் எது?
Talapati, Shivaji the Boss, Robot, quite a few, Riya sir. Okay. I'm forgetting now. All the recent movies that have come out in the last 7 to 8 years I have seen.
Sorry,
like when I was in college, I've gone with my friends.
Okay. சரி, அந்த क्वेश्चन மாத்தி கேக்குறேன். அவர் நடிச்ச படங்கள்ல உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச படம் எது?
I like him in every movie. So
Trying to figure out.
I like Shivaji. I enjoyed watching it.
Okay.
I enjoyed watching it. I went with my friends and it was like we were all screaming, hooting. So that whole experience made that film very memorable for me.
Superstar படங்கள்ல உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயம் எது?
பிடிச்ச விஷயம் as in like what?
What do you like the most in Superstar's movies? Like maybe some like action, some like style, some like his performance, some like his comedy, and the மாதிரி.
It's very tough to choose. I like his style. I like everything, but I like his style because Riya sir, it's very tough as an actor to pull off style confidently. Not everybody can do that. It's a very rare thing to, to put off style and make it seem cool. That it's not easy. And he does that the best, he's got so many cool things, from this thing to cigarette to he's got so many things he does, which have now become like, we associate Rajni sir with those styles. So I like that the most. It's cool.
After watching his movie Coming Back Home, have you ever tried doing his style, imitating his style?
No, I never did that. Which is why even when we were promoting PETA and they were asking all of us to do some style, I was like, I don't know what to do. Okay. I've never tried doing it.
Okay. Superstar dialogue, Solana, which dialogue would you like to say?
I don't know, Riya sir. But mainly because I don't know Tamil too well. I don't remember any dialogue. Yeah. Okay. If I knew the language properly, I would have like 10 dialogues to tell right now.
Okay.
But because of the language problem, I don't remember anything.
Okay.
But if I see a movie, I'll be like, oh, this dialogue I like, But right now, I don't remember anything.
Okay. So you haven't heard anything of the punch dialogues kind of thing, which you can able to remember or recollect yourself?
Not right now, Riya sir. Also, I didn't grow up. I grew up in Bombay. I didn't grow up even if I'd grown up in Kerala, I would have grown up with a lot more Tamil culture. Because Kerala, all Malayalis watch Tamil movies. I grew up in Bombay. So I started watching a lot more Tamil movies in the recent years. I didn't grow up watching, I grew up mainly watching Hindi movies and Malayalam movies because my parents watched that. So my connection to Tamil cinema is very recent. It's not so much from before. Like I'm trying to watch more now that I'm doing a film with like Vijay sir, Dhanush, so now I'm trying to like watch more and more and acquaint myself with it. So that's why I don't know all the punch dialogues by heart.
Okay, so in that case, I think you might have watched Robot, Indra and the Robot, part 1 also.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, part one.
Yeah.
I did. I really like the songs in that movie. Really nice songs.
Which character you liked in that? The she, the main personality or the Chitti character?
Both. Both were fun in their own way, and both had fun scenes also.
Okay. I think you watched Peta in a public theater on the first day first show. How was that experience?
Oh, it was amazing. It was. I always wanted to go for a Rajnikant film, Chennai first day first show. And like I said, because I've grown up in Bombay, I never got to do that. So I finally got to watch it and also see myself in the film. So that was special. It was crazy. It was exactly how I'd imagined it to be. It was exactly what I saw in all the photos and
Okay.
videos and all of that. Like single screen theater, all these big cutouts, and so much music, and people are playing drums and all outside theater. All the fans, going crazy. His introduction scene, all the fans were shouting so much that I couldn't even hear the background score. So it was quite mad. It was quite nice.
Okay. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷோ ஏதாவது ஸ்டார்ஸ் மூவிஸ் நான் போய் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா?
Tamil movie, no. No, even Hindi actually, no. Because Riya said, even in Hindi, even if you see like the biggest stars in Hindi, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, even their first day first shows, I haven't, like, it's not this kind of a craze, Like they have a very, very big fan base, and it's houseful and all of that. But I think the kind of fan
This
base that,
celebration you can find only in the south.
yes, exactly. This is not something you will see in Malayalam, in Hindi. I think it's there for
Tamil,
Rajni sir,
Telugu,
Vijay
and
sir,
Kannada.
Ajit sir, Mahesh Babu, sir, like all of them, no? It's these stars, the Telugu Tamil stars, that have this kind of craze for the first day first show, and no other industry.
Okay. பேட்டா ரிலீஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்ச ஃபீட்பேக்ஸ் என்ன?
I got very good feedbacks, especially from industry people. A lot of actors, female actors, male actors, they messaged me saying, you were really good in the film, you were really nice. Um, and a lot of, like, I don't think everybody, not all the audience, I don't think noticed me, but there were some people who were like, oh, this girl, the girl who played Pungudi, she was really good. So some feedback from the audience, more feedback from the industry people actually. They noticed me a lot. Yeah.
Okay. What did your family say after watching this movie?
They really enjoyed watching the film. They thought it was a fun film. As an audience, they really enjoyed it, and they liked my scenes with Rajni sir. So they were happy. They were very excited.
Okay. What was the feedback you got from the critics? Personally,
I don't think all the critics mentioned me. Some critics mentioned my character. Whoever mentioned me had very nice things to say. Not all critics mentioned my character, only Riya. So what to do? Very few people wrote about Pungudi.
Because mainly they focused on superstar Vijay Sethupathi.
Yeah, exactly.
Only the
So
male
they don't
characters.
focus on anybody else. They'll focus on, I'll tell you what, they'll focus on superstar Vijay Sethupathi, Nawazuddin, Kartik Subbaraj, Anirudh. That's it.
But the main media like Ananda Vigdan, Kumudam, and all, they definitely they have mentioned your role character.
Yeah. Okay. I read all the English reviews. They didn't mention it.
Leading dailies also they mentioned your name. They appreciated your performance, character, everything.
Okay.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice.
Yeah. What do you like to say about this 45 years of this Rajiniism? Yes, acted almost 168 films so far. 45 years.
Whenever somebody asks me about Rajni sir, I always tell them that I used to really love him before I did Peta, but after working with him, I love him so much more. And not everybody can get that reaction from you. There are some celebrities you really like, but then when you meet them, maybe they're a little rude or not very nice, not very humble, maybe. You know, I've also met people like that. But with Rajni sir, it's like 1,000 times more respect after meeting him, after working with him. And I can understand after interacting with, like, after knowing him a little bit, I can understand why he is one of the greatest, you know, one of the biggest stars in the world. It is because of the person that he is. It is because of the human being that he is. And I am so grateful that I got a chance to work with him. I hope I get a chance to work with him again, spend some time with him. He's very happy of, you know, I've heard that he's very happy of all the work I'm doing in Tamil right now. So I'm very happy to know that he's happy. I hope that he does a lot more movies and continues to inspire us all, entertain us all, and that we just, you know, see a lot more of him.
Okay. Could you able to reach Superstar after the release of Peta, and what was the feedback you got from Superstar?
He was very happy for me. I heard from a lot of, like a few people, 3-4 people, that heard, hey, Rajni sir, I met Rajni sir last night at the success party. He was saying, and I was in Bombay that time. I was not in Chennai, so I didn't go for the success party. But they were like, oh, he was saying very nice things about you. He was, you know, saying that this girl is very talented. She's very good. So I heard things like that from, like, you know, few people that he'd spoken to. And I was like, so sweet. But I haven't met him after that, Riyaz sir. I want to meet him. Every time I go to Chennai, I shoot, I immediately come back home. But now when I go for master promotions, I really want to go say hello to him and meet him.
Sure. Okay. Which is your favorite song in Peta?
My favorite song is Aha Kalyanam because I am in the song.
Okay. Apart from
Simple reason. I like all the songs. I like Maranamas, Peta Parak.
Okay.
Yeah, these two, mainly these two.
Okay. பேட்டையில உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டைல் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா எந்த ஸ்டைல் பண்ணுவீங்க? பேட்டையில இருந்து தலைவரோட ஸ்டைல் ஒன்னு பண்ணி காட்டுங்க அப்படின்னா which style would like to do?
No, I'm not doing anything. Riyaz sir, no style. No. I'm very bad at mimicry.
Okay.
I will not get movies if people see how bad my mimicry is.
Apart from your portion, which is the best or the favorite in Peta, you can say?
I thought the love scenes between Simran ma'am and Rajni sir, they were cute scenes.
Okay.
Everything happening inside her house, where he comes, they meet, and all of that. Even the song was cute.
Super.
So that was nice.
Very good. Okay. So thank you so much, ma. Thanks for sharing your memories with us. At the trip, at the interview, hopefully, நீங்க நல்லா தமிழ்ல பேசணும்னு நான் வந்து கடவுளை ப்ரே பண்றேன்.
Yes, soon, very soon.
நிச்சயமா.
Yes.
அடுத்தது விரைவில் ஒரு நல்ல இன்டர்வியூல மறுபடியும் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, Riyaz sir. Always a pleasure talking to you.